kids! Welcome to e-learning for kids.
Cobbler, cobbler, mend my shoe. Make it shiny, make it new. Make it ready, make it bright, so I can dance and jump just right. Cobbler, cobbler, stitch it tight. Fix my shoe from left to right. Left to right is not enough. Make it strong and make it tough. Cobbler, cobbler, hear me say, can you fix it right away? Right away is what I need, so I can run with happy speed. Friends, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe.